Hi, I'm Brittany Montez, and this is the Orlando Health News Review for July 22nd. You might have heard about Rosaura Quinteros, an environmental services team member at Orlando Health, Dr. P. Phillips Hospital, who has been recognized nationally after a patient being treated for COVID-19 credited her for saving his life.
The time I really met Rosie, that same day, my priest came by, and the same day I found out my youngest son had contracted COVID-19 from me. So given the situation I was in, I was going through a lot of mental anguish in addition to the physical anguish. And then Rosie would come in and clean my room. And it was just her. And she would clean the room, she would get up close to me, clean the rails on my bed, and she would just talk to me. And she just kind of calmed me down. Words matter. She mattered. I mean, she mattered just by treating me like a human being. I mean, she was just sweet. She's a very shy lady. She went around doing her job, but while she was in there, she made sure that she made contact with me as a patient. And that matters to people's healing.
Rosaura has been recognized by multiple news outlets around the country, including CNN and People magazine, and received the Latin Excellence Award, honoring Latin heroes from the front lines of COVID recovery.
Quiero decirle muchas gracias a Hispanesa por este premio. Esto significa muchísimo para mí, de todo corazón les agradezco.
And did you know that we have patient and family advisory councils throughout Orlando Health that collect feedback, whether positive or critical, enabling the organization to better shape the healthcare experience specifically around patients and their needs? In addition to asking for their feedback, we like them to get out, see the new facilities, and meet different departments. The goal set for each site council is to have between 10 to 12 active advisors.
So our patient and family advisory councils are so important to Orlando Health because they really give us an opportunity to tailor the patient experience to what our patients are looking for in that experience when they're at one of our facilities. And it really gives us an opportunity to align with the community and the populations that we serve.
One of the most important things to have a patient family advisory council is to get feedback not only down the ladder but up the ladder. It's important that they accept feedback, regardless what it is. They understand everything that's going on, and they are just stepping out of the box so far to make sure that they're doing everything they possibly can to give that experience, to let patients and families know that Orlando Health cares about them and for them.
If you have questions or if you would like to nominate a patient that you think would make a great fit, email our customer experience at orlandohealth.com. And the newest edition of Choose Health magazine is coming to doorsteps soon. We learned what we can look forward to in this issue.
We now have the summer issue of Orlando Health Choose Health magazine. It's the summer 2020 edition. And the theme in this issue is a guide to healthy eating. So in it, we're going to explore protein alternatives. We're going to talk about label reading and confusion in the pasta aisle, foods you thought were healthy, easy swaps for cleaner eating, and a patient testimonial that you'll want to read. In it also, we're going to talk about great tips and insights that everyone can incorporate in their lives while working from home like I'm doing today. So we're going to mail 200,000 magazines to local Central Florida residents, including you, the team member. So each team member, including St. Cloud, will receive a copy in the mail probably around the week of July 19th.
Well, that's it for today's edition of the Orlando Health News Review. See you next week.